getting a best-in-class 35 miles per gallon with best-in-class horsepower, starting at less than $20,000. You don't need to have an event. It's more than an event. It's a movement. Hyundai.
And now you can join the movement with a surprising $199. But only at your Bay Area Hyundai dealers.
The first time I smoked, I was 13. I was nearly grow up and wanted to look cool. Big tobacco unit. And they preyed on me. I'm here to tell you, big tobacco hasn't changed. They continue to profit by selling kids the same lies to get them to use the same deadly products. Don't be big tobacco's its victim.
That's Doug and that's George.
Doug and George were roaming near the Clackamas River south of Portland when they slid 175 feet down a cliff to the river below. While they waited for rescue by the sheriff's department, the neighbor risked his life and went down the steep trail and calmed him down. The grateful owner says that both dogs are back at home and safe, none worse for the wear. Here in the Bay Area, our meteorologist Mark Todd told us to expect some drier and breezier conditions. That's exactly what we're seeing.
Yeah, that's right, Gossie. Even tomorrow we're going to have a rainy performance with the gusty winds out there, especially coast side. But if you want the warmer temperatures, the warm forecast is right around the corner. Right now, the maps I can't show you on live storm tracking too. A few showers moving into the northern parts of the state and also just to the north of Lake Tahoe. We'll come in a bit tighter and show you some of the current buoys out there coming really tight close to the Bay Bridge. And winds, Gossie, look at they're up there out of the west. Gussie to 36 miles an hour. Overall weather story for tonight is this: clear skies and cool gusty winds out there. Tomorrow, mostly sunny skies, and then for the weekend, plenty of sunshine out there. Temperatures, the warmest locations will be flirting.
No.
80 degree mark, and that'll be by Sunday. Now tomorrow morning,
Nothing off the floor.
Coolest locations in the upper 30s. You see Napa 35 degrees, Oakland 45, and San Jose 44. We do some dropping bars we posted just to the north of the Bay Area for Mendocino County for the interior first thing tomorrow morning. As far as the winds, the strongest winds out near the coast and also right around the bay. Here's the forecast throughout the day. At 8 o'clock, right around 15 miles an hour. By 12 o'clock, up to around 20. And then by 4 o'clock, it's going to be right around 25 to 30 miles an hour with winds out of the northwest. High pressure will continue to build in, and as a result, temperatures begin to warm up for tomorrow. This was the case for today, mainly the mid-60s. We'll see what happens to the Saturday. Warmest locations in the mid, possibly the upper 70s, and then by Monday, temperatures on track to reach the upper 70s to the lower 80s. Here's our forecast model showing you the clouds, the rain, and all the clouds and the rain. At least the forecast models keep all the precip out of the region. Just maybe a few high clouds first thing tomorrow morning, but still plenty of sunshine for your Friday afternoon. Temperatures, most areas up a few degrees for tomorrow afternoon. Santa Rosa, 70 degrees. San Francisco, 63, and Brentwood in the upper 60s, right around 69. Morgan Hill and Gilroy, right around 70, and Half Moon Bay tops out in the lower 60s. These temperatures will check in right around 3 or 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Here is a look ahead, your 5-day forecast, and plenty of sunshine here. No rain clouds to be found. You see on Saturday we're warming up. Sunday still warming up, and even warmer temperatures for next week. For Tuesday and Wednesday, the warmest locations could be approaching the low to mid-80s. Gossia.
Wow, thank you, Mark. Bird experts got a close-up look today at San Francisco's new peregrine falcon chicks. They're nesting with their parents, Dapper Jan and Diamond Lil, on the ledge of the 33rd floor of the PG&E building on Beale Street. You see Santa Cruz wildlife experts put ID bands on the 3 chicks while their parents circled above. The chicks are about 23 days old. And we now know the sexes of 4 peregrine falcon chicks nesting atop San Jose City Hall. Earlier today, biologist Glenn Stewart rappelled down the wall to reach the nest while the parents swooped and squawked with displeasure. Stewart put ID bands on the chicks and said there are